Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This video I'll show you how the solution of if your recycle bin on your Windows is disappear or accidentally you delete the recycle bin from your top desktop. So my one is still there, but if you facing that you didn't realize that you delete your recycle bin, you just go to your to File Explorer. I will open new file explorer. Just press Windows and E, and then on this address bar, if you are like in Google Chrome, this is the address of your files. You just type in of recycle bin. Later, you'll be directing to this recycle bin page, and then you just right click on the left here, and then you can click pin to start, or you just press and hold on the recycle bin and then drag to your desktop. See, now I have my shortcut of recycle bin here. So that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you did, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you.